J Mack from Syracuse, New York. Man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Away from Texas, yes sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
Big Ty.
Yes, sir.
Looking good down here. Santa's workshop is looking beautiful.
Yes, thank you.
Tell me
so
about
much.
it.
So today is the CU Buff Santa workshop. You know, Coach Prime is big on family, and you know, San Antonio brought us in, bowl game. They've been good to us. We want to make sure that we're not just coming in and taking from their community, but we're giving back to their community as well. So we organized this bike drive. We had some of our players that are putting bikes together. We had about 200 kids out here, y'all, to get bikes. And we had a lot of support from the community. Swing around, Neely. Swing around. Show them what we got over here. And so today has been absolutely amazing. We're super excited about the event, the way the event turned out. And, you know, Mama T got her hand in it. You know it's going to do what it do.
Ain't no damn doubt about that. I had cuts on Christmas Eve, but ain't no damn doubt about that. What was the process like to select the kids who were going to get the bikes?
So we had 3 different organizations that we got kids from: Hope for Haven, United Way, and another organization that helped us get kids. And what we did, we had a certain age range because, as you can see, some of the bikes were smaller, some of them were bigger. And we basically told them that send us kids who are in need, you know, kids who would be happy to have the bikes. And y'all, I don't know where they ended up getting all these kids from, but we had kids lined all up in the hotel, so it's an exciting day for us.
Mama T, a.k.a. Big Ty,
yes,
making it happen.
Not no little one.
Not
no
the little one.
Ain't no little one.
DMs are open.
Hey.
Got one more in you?
Okay, fine. Spring 91 Delta.
Okay.
What's going on? Right, meet me, Spring 2K9, Deuce Club.
Good to meet y'all.
Fall 24, Shell Club.
Right.
Alamo City, Spring 22, Solo Club.
Sir.
What up?
So tell me what's going on with the news.
Hey, you know.
We're doing what we supposed to be doing. You know, doing what we supposed to be
Being
doing.
of service to community.
Exactly. Objective number 5, yo to the good news.
Public service. Huh?
Yeah.
Just helping out a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
Doing our thing, making sure kids have a good Christmas.
Anything you need, the Nukes got you covered. All day. Anything you need, Nukes got you covered.
Love it.
Tuck him in, check your socks. Tuck him in. Put the jersey down, socks up. Socks up, jersey down. Well, you know you're right, Shane. Shane's always right. The freshie's right. Here we go, man. Hey, get behind. Hey, Uno. Let go. Where number 6? Where is he? I lost him. Joy lines! Home! You got it! Tuesday. Come on, Joy. We in your city, Joy. Turn us up! We in your city. Turn me up, Joy. We're going left foot up. Hagel. Locked in, loaded. Drive, man. Lock and drive. Make sure you're behind. Yep, locked and loaded. Some of you don't have any artillery, so you don't know what we're talking about. Hey, foot off the line.
Are you mic'd up to them?
Yes, don't talk to me, so don't talk. Foot off the line. You gonna hold it up? That's crazy. Yeah, what is that? South Georgia?
Big dribble. That's what that is.
Big dribble? Okay.
Big dribble.
Supposedly. Go tall. Reach, man, reach. Go ahead to the right. Go ahead, no! Hey, Lawrence. Yo, hold it! He wasn't going to look out for his brother, Barnes. Come on, man. You know you got fresh blood out here. Get him right.
Coach's hotel to get on floor today.
Golly.
You're going to knock on his door? Are you going to knock on his door and ask him?
Oh, we got to catch the race. See if we can catch the race right quick.
Hey, no, you're going to be like, Coach, I know you're with your family, but what do you need from me? It's 10 at night.
So it's a race between YN and YC. Who can get up the quickest? Here go, man, quickly! Here go, open up!
He got it on camera.
Whatever it is, it's on film.
The tape don't lie.
It's on film.
The tape.
Who was it?
Check the tape. Check the tape. Check the tape. Cam was most certainly first. 5-yard penalty.
5-yard penalty. Go tall. Go ahead to the left. Go ahead out. Go man, go. Hold it. What? Golly, boy, you're tight, boy. Try to move the right leg back. Yeah, keep coming. Keep coming. And then drop down to the forearms. Yeah, there you go. Ooh-wee. No stretch routine. Golly.
Let's go.
Hey, knees and feet wide. Open it up, 6'6". Just like you like. Nah. Hey, don't be looking back at me, man, while you doing that.
Open it up, big bro.
Yeah. There you go. He over the shoulder with it, too. Come on, bro. What you doing? Hey, Red, he talking to me like this, looking back. Come on, bro. What you doing? What's he doing, man? Come on, man. Left flat. We up. Whoa. Why are you smiling? That shit made you happy? Yeah, that boy was happy. Golly. I don't think I've ever seen you that happy. That's what caught me off guard. Are we on the feet? Hey, bend the reach. Bend the reach. Bend the knee. Bend the knee.
I didn't bring you here for nothing, puss. Hey, go to the right first, Jim. Go to the left. There you go. Go to the right. Shiloh, your coach tells you every day that on play 15 it's going to be a post, and you're not in the post. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, coach. Shiloh goes up to his defensive coordinator's office and asks him, does he want to watch his kids for a 4? If he needs somebody to babysit, call Shiloh.
Let's go, back here, good move. First line. Hey, drive it on, man, drive it. Hey, we go, back was open. Shot. I got high knee, shot. Come on, work up. Come on, a lot of action, arms. Hey, Bucky, quiet, shot.
I'm finna tell him happy birthday, Relly.
Come on, we lagging today. We got to pick it up. Mentally, emotionally. Look at it. We still just meandering in. We still walking in. We still walking around. We should be straight right now, looking at me eye to eye, making eye contact. All eyes. This is a blessing, man. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Where we at? Look at how we got here. Look at how we traveled. I'm pretty sure the hotel looked good. The bed was comfortable. The food was great. Everything is good for you. The flight was superb, wasn't it? Yes, sir. So what's my rule? When I give you something, what? You want something. See, y'all youngsters, you don't know this. In life, when somebody give you something, what's going to happen? They go, want something. I want mine today. I want full speed, focus, attention, passion, purpose. Let's work today. Because we come here to win. We ain't came here to play. We came here to win. We understand that? Yes, sir. Break it down. Hold on. Is that a new player or a new number? New number. Come here. No, because we got to break this down. We got to break this down what transpired. Y'all realize I gave him the number, right? And I had to, what they call it, I had to take it back, evict it. Because we slacked a little bit on the grades, right? Yes, sir. But tell them what the grades are right now. A's and B's. What I'm talking about. So he got serious. He locked in, like he locked in on the field every day, but he locked in on them grades. So he replaced those grades with A's and B's, so he got his number back. Break it down on one. Hey, let's work today, man. Hey, family on me, family on 3. 1, 2, 3, family. He got it up. He got his shit up. Here we go. Ready? What you did, punch? Yeah, hit his elbow, that shit hurt. You got the rock fist? Where they go? Hey, get it out. Let's go. Where they go? Punch. Where they go? Oh, this is an easy one. This is an easy one right here. Where they go? Let's go. You on the jump. All the way, all the way. Go. All the way through, all the way. Go. Let's go all the way through. Come on. All the way through.
Body set. Hit. Set. Go. Hit.
There we go. Be a leader in league. Let's go.
Blue 80. Body set. Hit. Go. Hut.
Hey. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, we do this motherfucker the whole goddamn inning. Y'all finish, man. Let's go. We do it the whole fucking inning. Go. They finish all the way through. Yeah. Go. All the way through. Go. Hut. Go. 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 All the way. Ready. Hut. Yeah. Hut. Hands and feet. Tapping off on hands and feet. Where you can tackle. Where you can tackle. Very good. Right there. Yeah, they're coming in. There you go. Right there. Hands. No. Move that bitch. Hands and feet. Hands and feet. Come on. Come on. Fucking down. Get your ass down. Let's go. Hands out front, man. Hands out front. Come on. Hands. Where you hit? Tackle, kill. Tackle. Good, BJ.
44.
Thank you.
That shit easy when you got leverage.
Yeah,
It's easy when you got leverage.
Coming back.
Watch who in front of you, bro.
Coming back. Coming back. Let's go. Ready.
That shit ain't gonna work.
You gotta fucking strike. Strike.
Top feet.
Strike. Out front. Strike. Strike. Strike it. Strike it. Come on, Sam. You gotta strike it. Strike it. Get off and strike it. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go to rip, young man. Go to rip. Hey, flip your hips, though. Left hand go by. Left hand by. Left hand by. Flip your hip, boy. Flip your hip. There you go. Whoa. Throw your hip. Left hand reach. Good, Pee-wee. Hey, lift the rib. Lift the rib. Come on. Lift that rib. Get it. There it is. Left hand.
Left hand reach.
God.
Stay up, man. Stay up.
Left hand go by. There it is. Left hand behind. Left hand. Behind me. Left hand. Left hand behind you. Straighten it up. Put it back on the line.
Left hand,
Move that one back. Yeah, it is. Left hand. Move that back a little bit.
There you go, London. Left hand reach.
Left hand reach.
Left hand reach.
Left.
Hey, look.
Left hand. There it is. I got it. There it is. Next, throw that drill. Throw that drill. There it is. Throw that drill. Come on. Swing. Hit the damn bag. You ain't close shit. Cross that bag. Oh! Stop that bag from rocking. Rip, young man. You still ain't real. Come on, play the rip. There we go. Throw the rip. Throw the rip. Throw it. Throw it. There you go. Good shit, big man. Throw it, Dozy. Throw it. Get him rip. Rip. There it is. Rip it. Rip it. There it is. Hit it. Hit it. And rip. Trying to run fast. Hit the bag. There it is. Hit the bag and rip. Hit the bag and rip. There we go. Hit the bag and rip, too. Rip. Rip. Throw it to the sky. Throw it. There we go. Throw it to the sky. Give me that rip. Give me that rip. Give me that rip. There it is. There it is. Throw that rip, Alex. Throw that rip. Throw that thing. There you go. Hey, this is a ball. I want that bitch white. You hear me? I want it white. Get down. Did you touch this? Hey. Hey. You gonna make that ball come out with that? You ain't touch it. Watch this. See that? That's how you hit the ball. Club rip. Set it. Club rip. Set it. Bam. 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 Get off of it. There it is. Club rip. Bam. 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 You ain't club one time. That bag ain't moved. Hit the bag. Hit the bag. Rip it. Rip it. There we go. Hit that bag. Hit that bag. Rip. Rip. Eat. Better rip. Rip. Lift. Come on. Lift it. Lift it. Lift it. Lift the rip, Pee-wee. Lift the rip. Come on. Don't cheat me on the last one. Rip it. Rip it, Sam. Rip one time. Rip one fucking time. Rip. There we go. Rip. There we go. Get it. Get it, dude. Get it. That's better. That's better, young man. Come here, B. There it is. There it is. Swing them hips. Swing them hips. Left hand, we going back. Good set. Good set. Good set. Come here, left hand. There it is. Left hand. There it is. Left hand go by. Left hand go by. Left hand go by.
It's different. You know, Colorado's sidelines is really small.
Right.
And it's the place to be. And if you know me, I don't like to be the place to be.
Right.
So I kind of move and jive. I'm pretty fluid at the games. But, you know, it's been a great experience. It's been absolutely wonderful. And to know that, you know, we're right here, 20 minutes from Bernie, and Gage gets to come back on UTSA's practice field. I mean, it's you couldn't write this script. I mean, you really couldn't.
How is it him playing for your old buddy?
I mean, you don't have enough time for me to answer that question. But, you know, I think the world is seeing what all of his friends have always known about Deion, right? This guy cares about other people more than himself so much, and people just can't accept it. And he's been on a mission, and I remember talking to him about 10 years ago. And I'd say that he not only accomplished that mission, what he originally set out to do, but he's far exceeding expectations. And I mean, he set the bar. I mean, look at Michael Vick right now, right? And don't think by any stretch of the imagination it's going to stop with Michael Vick. The reality is you've got one of the most accomplished guys on the planet athletically, and he's selfless. And people can't understand it, and people don't want to accept it. And I think, and I hope that they finally freaking realize it right now, because they're seeing it play out right in front of them. And I've been professing this the whole season, right? And you can only beat your drum so hard, right? Before you kind of just stop and then let everything happen. Well, everything has just happened. And I think people are finally getting it. They're understanding what his mission was in the beginning, and understanding now that his goal is fluid. He's rewriting the record books every single day. And at the end of the day, not only is he a great coach, but most importantly, I think the world is finding out what a great human being he is. And I knew that all along. And the people that are close to him have known that all along. And it's not for publicity, it's not for fame, it's for the betterment of the kids as human beings. And along the way, we're going to win a hell of a lot of games, and we're going to have a lot of fun. And we're going to set good examples for people. And in this day and age, that's huge. And so I love and admire him even more now.
When you guys were playing in Atlanta, did you think something like this was possible?
100%. I mean, you see special people and you know that they're going to positively affect the world. You just don't know how it's going to happen. And Deion is that guy. You know, he's a leader of men. And I think you're seeing in real time how important.
The only way you kill something, you move your ass. Let's go. I bring you here to look around, boy. All that goddamn shit, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know you got it. This shit. Hey, Mr. Pack gotta get it right. Mr. Pack gotta get it right, damn it. You see a man like that, you work on him. Goddamn it, some pack around here. Let's go.
Good job, boy. Hey, you see, chip the chipper. You run it to him, ricochet off and get back inside. Chip the goddamn chipper.
There's a ball. You just have to turn that one. Huh? You just have to turn that one. You got to beat. You on TV?
White over here, let's go. Black over there, let's move. Other way. There it is. Other way.
Y'all know it.
Other way.
Come on, Kevin.
Line it up, goddammit. Let's go, Jordan.
Everybody back up so we can get all the damn feet. Shit. Back on up. If you're not in, we need 5 up. Everybody up. Back on up. Back on up. Hey, let's go for y'all ass too. Back up.
Get out here. You don't know, man.
1-on-1. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. You doing?
Okay, Sam.
Good. Boy. Fast. Fast, man. Get up on the phone. Get up in there fast, phone. Come on. Come on. Ah, you should have stuck it in there. Hey, so as well. No, man.
Inside out here.
You should have went on with inside. Yeah. Rubber mat. You got to get off the ball. Get off the ball. Nice. Get in.
His arm is here. Use your other hand and take that bitch off. Use your 2 hands versus his 1. I'm out here and I'm here. I'm lifting this bitch the fuck off of me. You got a good edge, you in there, lift him the fuck off you. Fight like a motherfucker. How many times we told you that? Fight. Use your offhand to do what? Lift it. We said that all week. You won't listen. This shit don't do nothing but help you when you listen. It don't hurt you. It help you. Get out for the clone, B. That ain't worth a fuck. Let's go. Get another. That ain't worth a shit. Let's go. I'm saying it all day. Get on edge. Get on edge. Get off the damn ball. Let's go. There we go. Hey, instead of trying to motherfucker. You're a big wheel and shit. You out here turning the goddamn car. He jumping in your way. You should have been bounced back in. You got that 8 pounds motherfucker. The right end. I ain't in the back, boy. Hit him back. Oh! Hey, he can strike without me. Hey. Sit down, spin, ice pick. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Strike. Sit down. Real. Get out, go back off. Come on, real. Come on, real. Go. Quarterback with your arm drag. Can't get the quarterback with your arm drag and bring it through.
Hands up, Rod.
Stop this. There you go. Lift the rim up around. Hey, it ain't always gonna be clean. Just keep working on it. That's the thing. Hey, keep working. And the more you work, the cleaner it get, right?
Do sign.
I'm gonna stay.
10 seconds.
Hey, y'all better do something with Granny Biscuit. Y'all better do something with Granny Biscuit. Granny Biscuit's getting real goddamn comfortable on y'all. Y'all got Granny Biscuits in here getting comfortable.
He's 10 toes down in your ass. Thank you. I told you, bro. Thank you. You gonna run into a motherfucking red ball. Make it bigger than that. Run it back. Run it back. Come on. Make that motherfucker move. I lose, but I shake back. That's a new nigga. This biscuit. Let's go, let's go.
Go get in there. Hey, come on. Use your shit. He can't do nothing about it. He can't do shit about it. He can't do shit about it. Hey.
Buy your teammate, whoever name you pull, a gift up to $100. No more, no less. $100. Don't get nobody a $20 gift and they give you a $100 gift. What'd you say?
Make sure she do pick speak.
It's gonna be within your positions. Why? It's gonna be with positions. If you get some bull junk, you're gonna have to get up in front of the team and say why you got them some bull junk. So don't get them no cheap gift because you're gonna have to get up and present it to them this evening as well. So that's what we're gonna do for today. Meeting at what time? 3 o'clock. Meeting at what time? 3 o'clock. All right, break it down on Carter.
You get a present based on Carter.
You awake? You up?
Hey, come on, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Check me out. Everybody in this room, right? Okay? We came here to win the fucking bowl game. I'm so goddamn serious about that, man. I'm telling you right now. Ain't nothing like doing all this shit. Y'all think y'all having fun, then you go out there and you put an egg out there. All right? You won't remember nothing. You got me? Be your ass in the fucking room at 9 p.m. Do you understand? Do you understand me? You want that party shit? Win the game. Win the game. You get another day to stay here, you party all fucking night you want to. You understand me? I ain't gonna say shit to you. We cross paths, I ain't see you, you ain't see me. You got me? But goddamn me, until then, be your ass in the fucking room at 9 p.m. in the bed. I'm checking. You got me? Be where you supposed to be. Make sure you got your plays. And we come out here tomorrow with some fucking energy, man. I'm telling you, we everybody's goddamn Super Bowl. And if you don't think them motherfuckers feel like we feel that they shouldn't have been the Big 12 too, and they gonna make an example of why they should have been there, you better think again. All right? So let's go out there and be the fucking hammer, man. You understand that? Be the fucking hammer. All right? Get serious about this shit. Get to the goddamn ball. Know your calls. Make the calls. Call out the fucking plays. All right? Based on the backfield set. We already know that shit. And let's get our work done, man. You practice how you play. And if we fucking play today, we getting our ass beat. Straight up. You got me? All right, man. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's do it. Hey, LB Hustle on 3. 1, 2, 3.
LB Hustle.
Yeah.
Coach, just for clarity, you checking rooms or the beds? Because you said you're checking the beds.
I'm checking the beds in the room. I don't want to check the room because you may miss what's under the goddamn bed. All right? I was a college athlete, and they checked the room, didn't check the bed. What I wanted in the room was already in the bed. So I was good. That's how I got away with it. I had some lazy coaches. They just looked in the room. Better check this bed.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bringing it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave it to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.